The ironing board and iron are located in this cupboard here. You'll find there are two parts to the cupboard. Just open up the doors. You can see the ironing board, which is a standard ironing board, and then you have the iron on the bottom shelf. To use the iron, it's relatively simple. To fill up with water, just open up here and pour in tap water in there, and then make sure it's clicked close so it doesn't leak. You have buttons on top. The left button is for extra steam, the one on the right is for water, which will spray out the front. If you wish to have a low steam setting, push this lever to the left. For medium to high, it is in the middle. To change the temperature, just alter this dial. You're about to see how much water is in the steam iron by the water level will be through here. After you finish using the iron, please ensure you empty the water, again by raising this and then pouring this out. And when you're finished, please return it back to the shelf at the bottom. Thank you.